Hello, control professionals. How are you all today? Have you updated your CV with your knowledge about the latest tools and technology and the certifications and qualification you have achieved? Do you think that is enough? Are you confident that your profile will create that impact and generate the interest in the recruiters from the companies of your interest? In order to be appealing to the prospective hiring managers, you need to think differently, isn't it? Today I am going to share with you 4 areas on which you can work, which will bring you closer to the next opportunity. Number 1, research the companies and the projects they are executing. Your first source of information can be their website itself. Start with their website. Find out about the different business sectors they are into. What are the past and the current projects they have been executing? Go to the LinkedIn page. LinkedIn page will give you a lot of information about this company. Read about the news and press releases about the company. You can also listen to some interviews of their top management, where you will get a lot of information and idea about the company's growth, direction and their strategies. You can also find out about the new projects being awarded or tendered by them. It is also important to know the financial situation of the company and the general market information. This is your first step where you understand and get some information about the company. The second point, find out about the leadership in the leadership team and the projects team. The team who drive their projects, their strategy and the challenges. Again, you can use LinkedIn as a very powerful tool to find out the key people in their organizations who are delivering their projects. Find out about the organization structure, the locations where they are, the departments or sections they are divided into, and the different sites all over the globe. If you are already connected with some of these employees of these companies in your LinkedIn, it's a very good thing. If not, you can connect with the relevant employees in your field or in your area. You can engage with them by sharing good posts and information. This way you will be able to be visible to them on the LinkedIn and other social media. Try to establish dialogues with them. Get insights into the challenges faced by the team while they are planning and executing their projects. Armed with this information about the company will be your next step. That is to establish your target role. Find out the areas where you can add value. This is precisely the job role you are targeting. Based on your strengths and your experience, find out the areas where you can add or fill the gaps in the company. For example, sometimes the project team are under so much stress and overwhelmed that they are unable to see their gaps clearly and take action to get the right resources and people timely into their team. You can ask specific questions such as, Do you have a team who can evaluate the contractor's next month look ahead program and bring insights in the gaps in the planning for resources vis-a-vis the activities planned? Or you can ask them question like, do you have the expertise to evaluate the critical path presented by the contractor and carve out the program level real critical path and help you to focus more effectively? They might not be open to answer such questions right away, but as you engage with them, you might be able to establish relationships and you will be definitely making an impact and an impression on their mind. Very soon they will come back to you. Remember that. The next point what you need to do is you need to share a story. That means storytelling. Share a brief story of your past projects. This is the time where you reinforce your credibility by sharing a story from one of your earlier projects. You may express how you contributed or solved a problem individually or with the team to some aspect of the project. It could be a small action but significantly impacting the project. For example, you can tell a story like, in my previous project, I started the practice of using whiteboards for our weekly site meetings to capture the issues and the actions and the responsibilities. Immediately after the meeting, I used to take a picture of the whiteboard and share with the team to have the action points readily available with them and avoid the preparation and circulation of the MOMs. This helped a lot and there was a huge improvement in the completion time and effectiveness of the critical activities. Such stories you can share with them about your past experience which are relevant to this upcoming role or the gaps which you are targeting. Remember, your prospective manager will be interested in you not only with what you did in the past, but the possibilities of what could you do for them when you join their team.